Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let's see how we can install and set up OpenSearch in an Ubuntu machine. So if you are using any other machine, I will leave the official documentation of OpenSearch in the description. You can check over there where the commands need to be changed, but most of the process will be same. Let's start. First let's update the machine. Once the update is done, we need to install default JRE and JDK. So apt install default JDK. So let's check yes. Meanwhile, when this is installing, I have published a Medium story for how to install OpenSearch in Ubuntu. We will be using this documentation, so I will leave this link also in the description. You can check it out. So our default JRE and JDK has successfully installed. Now let's export the Java home. Export Java underscore home is equals to let's export this. Now let's try to check if it is successful. So we are getting our Java home directory over here. We start installing OpenSearch. Let's check what is the VM max count. So this is currently set to 65530. We need to set at least to 262.144 must be the count which we need to set it. So let me copy this. So to make the modification, we have to edit using nano /etc /sctl.conf. Sorry, it's etc. So at the end of the file, let us add vm dot max underscore map underscore count is equals to the number 262.144. This is the minimum value. You can set more if you need, and let us reload using ctl -p. So the count value has been changed right now over here. Now let's install OpenSearch. So before that, let's go to the official page of OpenSearch. If you go to this web page, Debian downloads page. So here I'm using a Linux, so Debian package. I'll copy the download link and I'll use wget to download the OpenSearch. So our OpenSearch file is downloaded successfully. Let's unzip the file right now. dpkg -i OpenSearch. Okay. So it's unpacking and the installation script will be running in background. Let's wait till the installation script and is run and the unpacking is successful for OpenSearch. So this is successful. Now what's let's reload systemctl dae daemon reload. Once this is done, let's enable OpenSearch. Enable was successful. So let's start and check the status of OpenSearch. Systemctl start OpenSearch. So let's check the status of OpenSearch. So we can see it's active and running right now. Let's try to request the OpenSearch page curl -6. So let's send a get request https. Let us try localhost and the port number will be 9200, same as the Elasticsearch, and the username and password will be admin. Let us make this an insecure request. Oh, sorry, my bad. So we can see OpenSearch is running successfully. Now what we need to do is let's make some modifications in OpenSearch.yaml file, which is located in /etc/OpenSearch right here. So let's make some modifications. So what we'll be doing is first let's change the network host to 0.0.0. Once this is done, let's enable the port 9200, the configuration file, and let us set discovery dot type single node. So once this is done, let's search for plugins.security.disable. We have to set it to false. Over here let's set plugins.security.disable. Let's set this to false and let's exit. Once this is done, let's make modifications in JVM options also. Nano jvm.options. So here you can set as much as heap memory you want. I will allot 2 GB for minimum and maximum. Make sure both are same value. So once we are done editing JVM options, we have to set up TLS. For TLS, let's go to the official documentation and let's run these commands. So first we are in the same directory right now, and let's remove all the pim files that are located in this directory, and we need to generate a root certificate. So we need to set the ownership properties for these files. remove the last one root CA file, and let's clear this. And now we have to add the certificates inside node1.pem, admin.pem, and root CA. These all we need to make modifications in OpenSearch.yaml. For that there is actually a script that we can use over here. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. This does automatically. And now let's go to OpenSearch.yaml file. So we can see all the data has been added here. So what we need to do is we need to comment out not required things from here. So once this is done, we have to generate a hash for the password which we want to use. So for that we need to go to the directory /user /open /share /OpenSearch plugins OpenSearch security /tools. So here we have something called hash.sh. Let's run the script. Hash.sh. Let's set a password. Copy the hash from here, and now let's go to the directory. Make sure you copy this hash because this is required. Let's go to the directory /etc /OpenSearch OpenSearch security Over here we have something called internal users.yaml. So go inside this file and make sure you change the hash of the admin user to the hash which we have generated right now. And comment out other users if you feel they are not required. So you can save this file and let's restart OpenSearch. We are facing an error. Let's check what the error is. So there is a duplicate field for plugins.security.rest API. So nano etc/open OpenSearch OpenSearch.yaml. So there is a for REST API over here one field is already been defined. Check if for other fields also it's defined or not. It's done. Let's try to restart now. So the restart is successful. Let's check the status. So you can see OpenSearch is running. Go to the directory cd/user/share /OpenSearch plugins, OpenSearch security tools, security and tools. Over here, let's run this command OpenSearch underscore Java underscore home is equals to /user /share /OpenSearch /JDK /security admin .sh -cd /etc /OpenSearch /OpenSearch security /CAcert /etc /OpenSearch /root ca.pim /etc /open /cert /open search /admin admin.pim -key /etc /OpenSearch /admin key.pim -icl -nhnv. So the certificates are been updated in all other files also. Now let's clear this out and try to curl OpenSearch. Curl https local host 200 -u admin and password -k. So we can see OpenSearch is running, so using TLS. In the next video I will show how we can set up OpenSearch dashboards and connect the OpenSearch with OpenSearch dashboards also. Thank you.